It's a new 2023 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It's a strong foundation for building your business. It comes with all the amenities you need: wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, air conditioning, push-button start, external memory control, rear-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.